So the West Indies cricketers will be wearing the Black Lives Matter logo on their colors during the upcoming series against England. But while this cause has emerged as a universally legitimate and worthy cause, the West Indies players wearing this logo on the shirt is setting a dangerous precedent and treading down a slippery slope. International sporting bodies like the ICC generally do not allow the use of their game platforms to address political, social, or religious issues, and with good reason. International sporting teams are microcosms of the wider world, which is characterized by diverse participation and fan bases involving people from different social, religious, and cultural spaces, which each individual guided by different value systems and norms. So to force team members by mandate or by suasion to make public statements, I think is unfair. This Black Lives Matter cause is good, but other causes might be more ambiguous, subjective, and culturally and spiritually sensitive. And no person should feel forced to fight a battle he or she is not committed to. So while individual players and athletes should be free to fight their causes individually by choice, when professional teams assemble, uno keep the politics far from the sports. Yes, see the social distance, the politics from the sport. Yes, social distance, the politics from the sport.